Oh, where's my webcam? Why is this not working? How very strange. Okay, webcam's not working. That is weird. Let me see if I can get that sorted. Oh, what do I want to do here? Bear with me just a minute, everybody. Why is my webcam not working? I should really check this before I... Hello, webcam. Do I have... Aha, that would be why. Apparently I have a Zoom meeting open. That would explain it. Onto here. Hey, there I am. Okay. Not that anyone really wants to be looking at me, but yeah. Okay, I think this is all working. Is my... Yeah, I think my mic's working okay as well. And it's not the webcam mic. Yeah, does the microphone sound okay? I've just got home and seen the dump after the pump, managed to trade, got in on the trade basically like just before we broke down out of this. And what we were looking for was a move down to golden pocket. I'm still looking for that actually. So we do have this change of market structure which has been confirmed. So we're stuck below this. Basically, as soon as we took out this low, I was looking to take the short. After we took the long off of VWAP earlier, so today's been really, really good. So, yeah, it's been a fun day of trading again. Like yesterday, I was really bored of price action and I was hoping for... I just wanted some volatility. We just needed some volatility on this. And... yeah, we've got it. And it wasn't the big flush that we did see. I'm just going to leave that there because, I mean, that's pretty cool. That's a pretty good little cool. And I'm just going to explain everything what this was just in just a moment as well. So I will explain all the price action that we've got and also just the targets that we are looking at now if this does continue down and does retrace the whole move. So I thought we've got some stuff to cover. Really, so yeah, hello everyone. Hassan, Kalen, She Trends, Georgia, Umar, Anthony. First live video. Welcome to your first live stream here. Thank you for joining us. Johnny M. Cool, Tony, VWAP, Fib, Cedric, Jacob, Umar, CryptoPrince, Samuel, and Tom. Wednesday is the most volatile day, apparently. Luxury and Senti did the research into that, and it has proven to be the case today. So, yeah, congratulate those guys for putting in the work to figure that out. I never really thought of Wednesday as being the most volatile, but that is the... yeah, that is apparently is how it is. Cool. So we will monitor this price action today. So today's been really fun. Let me cover the trades that we have had today. And we've actually had quite a few really, really nice trades. So a couple of not so nice trades. I did take a short earlier that failed miserably. so I'll cover that one as well. Like I don't win them all. I did take a short that really did fail. And that was... actually, well, it didn't fail miserably, did it? I can't remember where it was exactly that I took it. It was during the trading room. 47,800-ish. Actually, it didn't fail miserably. I just got in a bit too early, which is slightly frustrating. So I'll cover all of the trades that we have taken today. So monthly open. Trade number 1 that I took as I was recording today's update. We were we had the flip of the daily open, monthly open, which triggered the long with invalidation below VWAP here. What I was looking for on this trade was golden pocket plus weekly VWAP. Yep. So that's trade number one. That was a winner. So nice move up into this here. I then tried to scalp a short live on the trading room, which didn't quite play out. Okay, so again, we can look at weekly VWAP. I scalped a short, didn't get out of it quick enough, ended up underwater, closed out after, yeah, I didn't really get anything from that trade at all. If I'd have just waited, yeah, fair enough, that's what happens. I would have been in profit eventually off this. I just had to sit this move out. But then as we came down onto VWAP again here, I took this trade and I was... Who was I on a call with at the time? I must remember. It was... Was it no? No. I need to remember who I was on the call with. I'm so bad with things. But yeah, we took this trade on this, and then we had a really nice move up from here. Again, attempted a scalp short off of this on another account, but left my long running, which was really nice. And then what happened is we came up into, what do we have? If we take back this range, there is our point of control. And here is our golden pocket, okay? So from this high, this is a messy chart, apologies. Let's remove the VWAPs. Let's have a look at this. So this whole range that we're looking at, we came into our point of control plus our golden pocket here. We had a move down, and now we've just tested previous day value area high. So yeah, really nice, welcome volatility. Good to have it. We've had a change of market structure now. I am looking for long positions if we do probably come back down into this 47,800 area. So I'm still holding my short. I have scalped a long on one account. That's not on this window, is it? I don't think. No, good. Yeah, let me actually make sure I can check what's going on with this one. Just in case it dumps on me again. So yeah, I've had a few nice trades today. The volatility is welcome until BTC rugs us. Fiat Feb. I would not be... I honestly would not care if Bitcoin now does a rug pull. I think this would be quite nice. Sorry. Because I was saying this yesterday. We've got lower targets on everything, and we put in some work last night to find some lower targets. So, yeah. You're right, Crypto Prince. That's not from the... There we go. Thanks for reminding me again. I was out. I pulled this fib before I went out, before we had that swing failure at the highs there, and took out the golden pocket. Now we have it on here. I'm also... Here we go. Okay, so if we do come into previous day point of control, 48k. That's what I'm looking for longs. So unprepared. Thank you for pointing that out. I yeah. So not only have we taken out two sets of stops, we have fallen below both of them, and we have seen a rejection off of these highs here. So that does bring us back to this range. If we get caught up in this range for much longer, we could end up dumping, which is why I'm not overly keen to take a big long position. Although, yeah, I will definitely, on one account at the very least, look for a long at 48k. If we do go that low. Auth Crypto, do I still hold a long? I'm in one scalp long, not anything that I want to be holding. So this is just off of previous day value area high at this point. So just that increase in volume that we did have at the lows here, as we were coming down, you just start to see these big candles and the increase in volume that we get down here. So I did take a long off of this. I have taken profit on this market structure change wick that we're looking at, and I'm probably looking back up here somewhere for a bounce. Let's see. I mean, if it can come up into this area, that would be nice. That won't really be with confluence of any fibs. Oh, okay. Oh man, imagine if we get this. This would be so nice. So let's see. Move up into here. Move down into here. Then up into here. And then, you know, I kind of do want... I kind of still want this area. But we'll see what happens when we get to that. But if we can get something like this that plays out with all the volatility that we're getting today, that would be pretty cool. Also, yes, if everyone would like to smash up the likes, that would be greatly appreciated. Okay. We can also take a look at some of the altcoins. Oh man, so many scribbles on my chart. Okay. So let's lose that. I'm going to remove these lines as well, just off of here. I don't really need them. So we know 48k as a support region, looking down towards here. We know if we do come back into this area, I will be looking for shorts, and hopefully we can just play this as a range for a little bit. So that would be really nice if we can put in a range around here. Session VWAP coming up to meet this price as well on here. Yeah. There is our range. That is what we are looking for on this chart. Bottom of the single prints, 47,900 as well. So we have just come into our daily value area high on here as well. So single prints we've come into like half the single prints. This was all the way around here earlier, so we've filled half of these out, bounced off of previous day value area high on the markers and today's TPO value area high. We do have the lows of the single prints coming in down here at this 47,900 area, so that adds confluence to this little zone right here, which should be really nice. So we can bring that up to, let's go 47,880. I might just put some limit orders on, because often 4,800 to 47,880. Nice area there. I'm going to make this nice and exact because I just like doing that kind of thing. And 48,700 to 48,800 as our resistance. So okay. So we do have the 618 from our impulse. Yeah. So that is there. Thank you for seeing that. I'm just going to take off these 666. Those are 786. Okay. So from the actual impulse, the last down candle before we got an impulsive move up, we have hit the 618 off of that. So that's quite nice. Maybe this is just the range. At the moment, I'm really looking at this as being it could potentially be a massive swing failure pattern. So yeah, there is always that potential that this does continue to hold us down. This is significant resistance at the moment on the chart, and we will watch that. But it would be nice just to get that other move down into, just to fill these single prints. We can have a look at the move itself. So we see here all of this done on very low volume, and then you just have just masses of stop losses probably from this being taken out. Okay, cool. Session VWAP lining up with the weekly VWAP. Okay, you guys are great. You always point out such such great stuff. Yeah, that's really cool as well. I do think session VWAP is probably going to come up here, so clearly they're not going to be at the same price when we do get there. The other funny thing, did you know? Look at this, isn't this amazing? Session VWAP and monthly VWAP are the same. Ignore me. It's the first of the month. I don't know why I just said that. Cool. Okay, that idiot. that covers. Yeah, that covers Bitcoin, ETH as well. Look at this. Ethereum, swing failure of the highs, back into our weekly level, back up to these highs, this being the 1 hour. Can it get back above this? So again, if ETH BTC has a range here that it's just put in, really, really nice. Well, liquidity, where's that? Off of the daily chart, I think. So we did take out these highs, both of those. Swing failure of those. Support off of the weekly level being this one right here. and just bouncing really nicely between the two on here as well. ETH USD. Let's have a look at ETH USD. Where are we at? There we go, 786. So ETH USD, 786, okay? Ethereum loves the 786. Bitcoin loves the golden pocket, Ethereum likes the 786. Really nice. Litecoin seeing a move up today. So we were in that long position on Litecoin. That's looking really good still really healthy on that. Link's looking good. We're looking up at this daily $32 target. DOT moving on up. Not really much resistance up until $42. Yeah, really nice volatility. We will see, yeah, how this plays out. Can you see the rejection in H4? On what, Vasco? Are you on the 4 hour? Are you talking about the Bitcoin rejection? The Ethereum rejection? Like Bitcoin's, yeah, massive. Like that 4 hour candle closing below these lows, pretty significant. So that's why we're seeing such big resistance on this. Like, it's a pretty nasty wick. And previous times that we've done something like this, you can see up here you have an attempt higher. In fact, this is really interesting. So here's some highs on the 4 hour chart, taken out, closed below it, initiate a move down. Okay, that then sets up these highs. You take them out, you close below it, it initiates another move down. That then sets up these highs, not taken out, obviously, not taken out. But could we see something like we got here and here on this, where it does initiate another move down, where we'd now be looking down, probably down like this low again, back towards that daily level? Possibly. We also do have these 4 hour lows as well, just to be aware of. So yeah, interesting. On BTC, on a descending triangle, it rejected nicely. What was that noise? Oh, email. Uh, that's fine. I'm not quite sure what you mean. Are you talking about like this triangle that we had at the highs? Or what? Not quite sure. VWAP Fib, which exchange would you say was controlling these moves today? I don't really know. Like, there hasn't been any massively clear signs from anything other than Binance. Maybe Binance. Let me have a look. I'm just having a look on the order flow, which doesn't seem to be working at all. So maybe forget that. Certainly not FTX today. This is why I say Binance from like an order book perspective. Now, this will be quite laggy, so bear with me. So this is what I'm looking at on, or what I have been seeing on Binance. So you can see this massive increase in delta and a huge drop off in open interest right as we got that pump. Now that came straight through all of these limit orders. So we did have big limit sells at 48,200 at 48,200 and 48k. So we did have these sell walls there, blasted straight through all of that. And then as we were coming up, sellers started to step in around this 49k. Yeah, so sellers did step in at 49k. The reason why we're probably seeing a bounce here is because you can see the massive drop off in open interest. That would have been a lot of people stopped out, but also trapped shorts, okay, probably within this 48,200 region. As price went through those, you can see that now on the way back down, this is probably closing out of positions at break even. If they got traded through, you can see a massive amount of liquidations on Binance. So it does seem, I'd say if there's any exchange that really was leading this, it's probably Binance. I can't really see what was going on the other exchanges. The other thing that we do have is, you look at Bybit, not a huge amount of volume coming in on this. Like, you had 131 million positive delta, 500 million candle on here. You then have a look at FTX, which only had 380 million volume. So FTX, certainly nothing really to do with this move. Only 380 million with a 25 million positive delta on this candle. Not a big deal. No drop off in open interest. So this was actually an increase in open interest. And then we have a look at Binance. And on Binance, we have 1.74 billion volume, 177 million delta, and you can see here just how the volume was increasing on the way up here. So you can see it was pretty low, just started just to continuously push up higher and then just shut off at these highs once it kind of got to where I wanted to be. So I would say probably if we're looking at an exchange that really pushed this move significantly, I would say it was probably Binance that did that. But it's a combination of all the exchanges. I've not really looked at what BitMEX did, what Bitfinex did, or anything like that. STI, yes. So once again, ES. So this also, I think the time that we did get on the ES, we came into the golden pocket on here. I think that helped to time the high within this area. So this was at about 6:30 this evening, UK time. And if we look at where Bitcoin topped out, it was around that same time, okay, just after 6:30. And then ES has a move down alongside Bitcoin. I don't think it was leading. ES certainly wasn't leading. ES is just doing, pretty typical at the moment. But this is what we were saying last night, right? So who was watching the stream last night? We had identified that we were likely coming into resistance on here. So this is why I was looking for more of a flush on across the whole market, basically. So we were looking at ES making this lower high. So we were up here, we were making this lower high, like wherever we were during that time. Looking for another move down, possibly even to take out these lows. And then the other thing that we did have was the DXY was looking like it was kind of looking like it could get a move up here, but didn't. So, but having taken the lows again, yeah. Georgette, Bitfinex, maybe. Let's have a look at what Bitfinex did. I don't really think Bitfinex had a massive role to play in this, but we can have a look. Oh, that looks awful at the top there. Bitfinex derivatives, no. Bitfinex spot? Maybe. Oh, have you seen this? Bitfinex certainly got the lows the other day. Wow. That was really nice. I need to check need to check Bitfinex out on these lows. So they were selling all the way down into these limit orders. Yeah, Bitfinex spot bought up those lows. VWAP fib massively. I didn't see that. But anyway. Oh, that's really interesting. I wish I'd seen that yesterday on the stream. I would have that would have helped me get into a long position at the lows. Never mind. Just gonna put the fan on. It's a bit warm. Daddy Neko. Yeah. Ben, good evening. Welcome. Thank you for joining us. And good evening, Vlone and KS and everyone else who's joined since I last said hello. Can we get this stream up to 50 likes? That would be nice. That would be really nice. If everyone can help get this stream up to 50 likes, I will be very happy. Let's put this on my chart. Okay. Georgia, I should get Daddy Neko this Friday live to talk about train. Like, it'll be fire. Maybe. Daddy Neko. Hexstatic Lunatic. Welcome. Anthony Holloway. Is an ascending triangle forming on Bitcoin on the 5-minute chart? I don't like to trade patterns, but yes, I think it probably is. Okay, so we do have this playing out. We do have it under a significant level here. So I do think we probably do see a pop up, probably just to at the very least, this 48,450 area. So I do think we probably get a quick move up into here over the next 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes or something while we're doing this stream. We'll have to see if that plays out. Again, I don't trade patterns, and this is significant resistance, but if this does hold, then yeah, maybe we do see this pop up. Or it can just break down and come down here. If this breaks down, I would be looking for support down here. So let's see how this plays out. It's a tiny little pattern, and I don't trade patterns very much. Anyway, let's see how it goes. It would make sense to run it back up a little bit before we move down again. Okay, what else do we have? I don't have that weekly level marked. I wasn't really expecting us to come up that far. Doop. It'd be nice to see Ethereum make one more move up. 39.30 before getting a larger retrace. We shall see. What does the order book look above and below right now? What would you be looking for Confluence? So again, apologies for the lag. This is probably too laggy for me to really look at it on here, but I do have it on another exchange. I think we've got support down at this 48k area, which is what we're really looking at anyway. So the order book is there backing that up. Ideally, what I'd really love to see is for this triangle to break down, because it's not really high time frame enough, to get a move down into this area, then to quickly reclaim, then see a move higher, and just to put in a range within this area. So we can just do something like this, move back into here, and then do whatever it needs to do at this point, break up or down from here. So we'll see how that goes. If not, then that is one potential scenario that I'm looking for. That would be nice because I'm still in my short, so maybe I prefer that one. If not, I think maybe we get a quick move up to here, test this area. If this holds, then we could quite quickly see a move up back towards 48,760. But I'd still like to see a move down after that. We're getting a decent amount of buying coming in. Open interest increasing. Lots of shorts stopped out. Not too many. Lots of longs stopped out, sorry. Not too many shorts opening at the lows. Tony M, there's a decent amount of shorts in the BTC wick low, 48,150. So pop up would be nice, or is it longs who closed? Yeah, I think this is mainly we see a lot of longs stopped out here. So all of these short positions coming down, I would imagine, mainly looking at, yeah, like you got a lot of selling in here, but a lot of longs stopped out as well. So we're looking at 50 million worth of longs being stopped just on Bybit. So that's fairly significant. Not too many shorts opening, okay? So from this move, we had about 20 million of shorts opening during that move there. So yeah, not too bad. KS, don't give it away. Don't give it away. Are you completely out of the long from the bottom? Yeah, like I closed that long like ages ago before we got to the highs. So I was at the VWAP long. I think I closed that somewhere up here. I can have a look at exactly where it was. Hyper Trader. I closed my long at 48,600. And I also took profit on my long at 48k. That was from the VWAP. So back onto here. So I was just opening up another screen just so I could check that. So yeah, I did take profit at 48k as we got this move up. On the long, that was my first take profit, and then 48,600 was where I closed it completely. And then I took a short after this change of market structure in here, and I just laddered in. Didn't get filled as much as I would have liked to, but yeah, there was that. So once we took out, we had this change, I was looking basically at shorts all within this area. It's just hit a couple of them and then it collapsed. So I'm not in the biggest short position, which is why I would quite like a move up to compound that, and then to get a move back down into this area here. I am also in a long from these lows, by the way. So again, I can tell you where on a second account, where my long is from. Can I? Have I still got that open? I have a long at 48,200. So around here. And I think with that long, I'll be happy to compound this because I've got the shorts from up here. That will pay for me to add to this long if we do get there, and then hopefully we put in a range. So off crypto, do I care about ranges? Yes, I do. I do. Ranges are my favorite things to trade, and that's the thing. If we can put in a range here, around here, and we can use this little market structure change thing as the midpoint, and we can chop around for a bit, that will be amazing because that just becomes really nice and simple to trade. Cowboy D. Luke, been a while since I watched your live stream. Usually watch after your post. Cheers. Invite Neko on for a stream. I'm happy to have Neko on for a stream. If he would like to join in, that would be good fun. But yeah, thank you for joining us. And yeah, I hope you are I don't know, enjoying the stream, something. I'm having a nice. Well, I was having a glass of wine. It's now turning into a bottle of wine this evening. So, a nice bottle of wine tonight to celebrate Bitcoin volatility returning, because I've been bored recently and I haven't had much chance to change. Trade. Funding rate's starting to get a bit tasty. Okay, funding rate's certainly looking like. Yeah. Ben Dow, I am long and short. I am long from here. I am short from here. I will compound short here. I have taken profit on this short already. I have not taken profit on this long yet. I would like to basically have two positions running on this range. If this range does form, I would like to have a nice short position that gives us the possibility for dumping lower, but basically just looking at something like this alongside something hopefully that ends up looking a little bit like this. So this is what I'm looking for. I move up, maybe chops around for a bit, I move down, puts in a range, and does this kind of thing. I'm always in a position of some sort on one of my many, many accounts. I'm always in some kind of position. Recently, I've been choosing the complete wrong side of the trades to take on the competition account, which kind of sucks. But hey, all is good. Selling's kind of shut off a little bit here, so we're seeing some absorption for sure on this. So again, let me just check on the order book. You will not be able to see this because I'm looking at it on not Brave browser, so it's less laggy. Hey, you know what? I think we're still looking at a move higher on here. I think we're probably okay. Forget the ascending triangle idea. We either do this or we do this. Let's see which path it chooses. Let's move this along here a bit. Sure. Session VWAP is almost exactly into the area that we want it to be as well. Ben. Georgia, yeah. Hey, if you want all the details in real time, then you know where to come. We are doing trading rooms every single day in the crew. Myself and Luxury and others are, yeah, streams every day, live trading rooms every day. We normally have a playbook update on Wednesday, but I've been a little preoccupied by the price action, so we don't have a playbook update today, but I will be doing that one tomorrow. We've got like, what, how many actual trades to take in the playbook now? How many are there? I'm gonna do some stuff. uh 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different trades on the playbook. I'm going to share with you some of these. So by playbook, this is what I mean. Every Wednesday, we get these. So we get these nice playbook cards that people can use to trade. We have, what else do we have? We have a VWAP. The VWAP setups. Nice VWAP. Trade VWAP test, initial balance. Very nice. Very nice. We have stuff on harmonics. How to correctly play a harmonic pattern. So anyone that's confused with harmonics, we've done the Gartley. We're going to be doing the shark next. So if anyone wants to learn how to trade the shark harmonic, come and join us. I can't chill for shit. The shark harmonic's going to be nice. We're going to do some pitchfork stuff. Luxury has been helping me. I don't trade pitchforks myself, but Luxury's got some really nice pitchfork setups that we can do, and that will be added to the playbook soon as well, once I've had a chance to test them out and see how nicely they work. So yeah, fun stuff. This was a fun one as well. I quite like this one. Initial balance extensions. Look how nicely they work. Very nice. Anyway. Yeah. Georgia. It's not shilling at all. It's called showing what it's about. I'm very proud of what we're doing here, and I hope that that comes across. Like, I'm, yeah, I'm very proud of this community. It's quite amazing, actually, that I'm able to do this, which is so cool. Uh, yes. Where's the price gone on here? There it is. Okay. I want to see how my QNT's doing. It's fine. Nice, nice, nice. Look how nice IOTA was. Oh, I need to start checking these alts more. IOTA, that was such a nice trade. VeChain, still doing nice things. Okay, let me check back on the chat, see what Bitcoin's doing. Ross Hill, the grief is decent. The consistency of the live feeds is a massive help. Fine-tuning trading techniques. Thank you. I don't know what anyone's talking about a 1 week trial. We do raffle giveaways for crew memberships sometimes on a Friday. We're not going to be doing any of that, I don't think, anymore. So I think we're kind of done with the trials. I don't really like trial membership. We want to have like nice people that want to join. Velo, not part of the crew, but transparency and non-secretive vibes are awesome. Not afraid to share a sneak peek and then a sneak peek and then share stuff you'd normally charge for. That's the thing. Like I'm gonna say I really enjoyed just doing these streams, and that's what this has always been about. The thing is, like, we got to a point, and it was like an experiment. This is just like what happened naturally. I was doing this. I think people responded well to what we were doing. I wanted to expand the team, and then I just wanted to make this something that I do full time. So out of that grew an amazing community. So I'm really kind of happy and proud of what we're doing here. And people like Luxury and P are amazing. We've got French Bull as well, who unfortunately is going through some stuff at the moment. Hopefully he'll be back soon, but we've got to give French Bull a bit of time, just with stuff. Tony M got a 4 week trial, only £79. Yeah. Ben, please, no more likes. Everyone else can like the stream, but Ben, you're banned. You're banned from the likes. Unless you can get me 1,000 likes on this video, I'm not. What is Ben? If you can get us 1,000 likes on every single video that I make, I'll give you lifetime crew membership. Not that you need it, but yeah, that's what you'll get. Anthony, how long have I been doing these streams? Only like what, since May? April, May, so a few months. So yeah, I've been doing this for a few months. I've had Toros Crypto since like 2017, and it was just a closed community before. So yeah, so this was just a closed community that I used to trade with friends, um, and yeah, naturally just turned into this. Luxury's telling me to check DMs. I never. Uh, okay. Guys, bear with me a second. I just have a couple of messages to respond to. um, hmm. Sorry, guys, a little preoccupied. Um, everyone watching, uh, does does anyone want to see? Oh, I don't know whether we do this now. Uh, We basically, yeah, I've just had a message from Luxury saying we've got the new EXO update early before anyone else. And I'm considering whether we run through it quickly on stream. I'd quite like to get Varen in on a call to run through everything and do that as like, oh, what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? I'll let the chat decide. Do we do 5 minutes just having a quick look at it? We'll let Luxury do a... Okay, everyone keep this quiet. If we can get... Ben's just in here shilling the Swissborg app. Alright, okay. Luxury, I'm going to send you a link for the Zoom call. We'll have a quick look at this now, and then let's set something up for... Georgette, can you... Tiger, can you see if Varen's up for doing the Friday stream as well? That would be really, really cool. But yeah, I'm gonna open up Zoom and and now how many likes? Tiger, could you post this in the EXO Discord, the stream, and just see if some people in there want to watch this, because it'd be nice to get the viewer count up a little bit for this as well. Everyone post this everywhere. We're about to get an exclusive, okay? We're about to get a major exclusive, the first time that the new desktop version has been seen on on anything. I haven't even seen it myself. Luxury's been going crazy and has yeah, had a nice little conversation with Varen this afternoon. So all right, cool, we're gonna do this now. Headphones on, let's get Luxury in on the call. Wednesday nights is becoming the new Friday nights. Finish my bottle of wine. Hassan, can you request EXO people to launch Linux version as well for desktop app? And Stuart Sharp saying, damn, probably doesn't work on a Mac. I don't know. I think it does work on a Mac. Cowboy, yes, it is going to include Bybit, the new version. I'm saying that and I haven't had confirmation, but yes, I'm fairly sure. We'll ask Luxury as soon as he's been back, because he's literally just come off of a call with Aaron as well. So we have been speaking to him, and yeah, the chart hasn't frozen. I'm still here. Bitcoin's just not moving. My chart hasn't frozen. Bitcoin's just not moving. That's all it is. Let's put it onto a chart that actually moves. Here you go. I'm just waiting for a second because we're about to get a special exclusive. Cool. Hello, hello.
How is everyone doing?
Yeah, we are good.
Yes.
Cool. So yeah, I'm excited to see this as well. So should we just
Yeah,
go straight into the screen share, or what do
yeah,
you want
we
to do?
can. Just give me 1 second. I'm trying to. There's so much stuff that needs to be sorted out, but I can show this off as well. 1 second.
Sure.
Um, it took a bit of haggling to get it sorted, but it's working. So
Nice.
let's just make this all. Okay, I think I can. 1 second.
Georgette, yes, it's luxury on the call. We've just had the okay from Varen that we can show this. Don't worry. It's been okayed. We have had confirmation that we can just share this quickly. We are testing it. That's the whole point. So we're going to be testing it live on stream. So I know he doesn't want to release it until it's all tested, but I think is it being released maybe on Friday?
Yeah, potentially. Yeah. So that's the plan.
All being good. Cool.
Okay, let's just get this going. Share. Okay, hopefully you can see now.
Yeah, let me just get that.
God, it's also new. Even to him, he was saying it's really new. So
yeah. Okay, everyone can see your screen.
Yeah. Okay. We won't spend too long on it because I still got to figure out.
Let's just have a look at it.
We could figure it out together.
So we've got Bybit. There's a good start. So we do have Bybit on the new pro version.
There are a few things he showed that I think are good. So I mean, first you've got like Bybit spot as well here.
Nice.
I haven't tested any of this out, so if we let's give it a go. I don't know. It's gonna. Hopefully it's all good. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. That's fine. Just got to change a few things, I guess. So there's that. Let's put this back on the regular. So this is what
we've got all the alts on there as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice.
So you have all of these.
Yes, this is amazing.
Yeah, and then everything is basically the same except. So this is the TPO, and basically you have different tabs, right? So say you wanted to, let's say we wanted to work on 2 at the same time. You have this going on, right? So hopefully you can see that you like got 2 separate screens and stuff. From what he was saying as well, okay, and this is like quite, I don't know how I'm going to do this because we were doing it on the call at the time, but basically, I don't know if I want to go into this now.
We've got some drawing tools and stuff on there as well. That's really cool.
Yeah, I haven't even tested these out, but they seem to be working. Yeah. So.
Oh man, this is going to be so good because it
changes the game in terms of like performance as well. We did some tests and it's like really, yes. Oh God, it's way less performance or power required to run it in this at all. So you got anchored VWAP as well. Is that anchored VWAP? What is this? What tool is this? I have no idea, but that's one of the tools. What is? I think that
is an anchored VWAP, but you drag it like a fixed range, then do you? So you drag it across. So. Oh wow, that's nice, and it's got the
settings.
deviation.
Oh, look, here we go. So this is new stuff as well. I'm figuring this out for the first time.
Yeah.
VWAP only. Oh, so you've got VWAP only, CVD only. I think so for VWAP only. That's like really cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, it's so much stuff. Basically, also you can. So, say for example, we have like session times, right? So we have. Say, I think did we do this here? Let me make sure. Okay, hold on. I need to take this off the screen real quick. Make sure that this is okay. Yeah, let's just make this full screen.
Yeah.
Where did I put this? Yeah. Okay.
Hide myself because I'm taking up space on the screen, and no one wants to see my ugly face on this stream. I'm showing this. Cool. This is really cool.
What else was there? I'm literally just trying to figure this all out at the same time.
No, this is really cool.
So you can like add different tabs again on these ones, but basically I think you could split this into more than 2, but I'm not too sure how you do this. Also, Okay, yeah, this came from another screen. That's why.
You're running this on. Oh no, you're running this on Windows.
Yeah, Windows. Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you just hear that? I like knocked my mic over.
Yeah. Don't break it. You only just got it.
Yeah. But basically, you can like. So, for example,
Oh,
here.
this is awesome. So it just gives you this.
So I set some of this up, right? But this here. So this is what he was going through with me. So
Yeah.
for example, this is London and New York. But you see all this gray data here. So we can get data for only London and New York session, and it will cut out all the rest. And you can get volume profiles.
Shit.
You can get volume profiles based off of like just these 2 sessions from like the past 2 weeks.
And TPO, so you can have the TPO like
exactly.
shut down.
That's what we're going through.
Oh man, this is this is. I'm so excited.
Yeah, so you have like stuff like that, and
playbook updates are about to just get a whole lot better because we've got like full session stuff that we can be using.
So much stuff you can change with it.
Oh, this is so good. The trading rooms as well, man. Like, just think like.
I can imagine.
This is great.
But yeah, so like you can have like, so say all this gray data here is going to be like, it won't be on the TPO at all. So I think if we let's see if we can do this.
Yeah, do it.
Here, chart settings, because session default. I think we did London only. Rebuild chart. Okay, let's make this one full screen now. But
wow. Yeah.
Okay, so basically you got London morning and New York now, and the rest of the data, so like in between, is just not there. So it's just you have like TPO profiles based off of just this. Again, let's change. I don't know if you want to change this a bit long or whatever. You can change it to a lot longer. So
yeah, how much you want to load?
Yeah, and then it's just like it's way more efficient though in terms of the numbers and stuff. So we can get like different. It's just so useful. It's going to be so useful.
Like session points of control that actually work and
things
exactly. Like that, because we know
it's going to be insane. So let's go 5 minutes, for example. I think this is what I'd like to use it on if we're doing like session ones.
Oh man, yeah. If this gets, we'll have to get JJ on a call to to go over this when it's all.
So it's like there's so much insane stuff here. I mean, you can look at this like New York, London, back. It's so nice. I'm probably going to be messing around with this all night now. So, if I ask for Rand, I'm pretty sure he'll be able to I can just send this to you because it's literally just one download.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, he has to.
Yeah,
I'm demanding it. I must have this. No, yeah, that'd be really cool.
Let's just message him.
Umar, please don't do that. No, I'm joking. You can use whatever sessions you like on you can use whatever ATAS sessions you like. I would recommend I always say this, I'd recommend everyone stick to when trading sessions open, because you have closed market theory and open market theory. We can see today we had a move at the end of the market, and you'd lose a load of data by moving that around, in my opinion. So there we go. I don't like it when people mess around with like open and closes of sessions that are there for a reason.
Where was it? I think it's this. Yes. So let's this is like my main template, right? I don't know. Did you watch that video I sent you, by the way, on like the template video I made in the end?
I haven't yet. Sorry.
No, that's all good. He ended up watching it.
I was out. And yeah, you sent me the message to say that like.
Yeah.
I'll watch that as soon as we come off this stream.
Because
sorry,
it was literally it's literally because what happened was I was meant to just be a really quick call.
Yeah.
Okay, well, hold on. I was just getting a message from
Is it from Baron saying, please get Tiger to stop pestering me? Sorry, Tiger.
Okay. Hold on. Okay, yeah, I can give this to you.
Amazing. Thank you.
I think, how's this gonna work?
That's all right. We'll do this after.
Yeah, we'll do it after, but I can send it to you anyway.
Yeah.
But
everyone crew, everyone who's in the crew here. Tomorrow's trading room has suddenly got a lot more exciting.
yeah.
So we'll be using
it's
this.
Really different. It's so different. It's really, I mean, look at this. Right, so you can like be trading off 2 different templates. I haven't seen this one, so let's see, where is it? Load. I don't know how this is gonna look. I haven't tried this yet. So, but like having different tabs and stuff, and like just being able to run it way more efficiently is so much better.
Yeah. So what happens, because I've not seen? Go onto tab again.
Yeah. No, I don't think any of this other stuff works.
Right, I was gonna say, like, it'd be really interesting to see the tape and the DOM and
yeah.
DOM meter.
I mean, the chart.
So yeah.
Oh yeah, go on. Yeah, go on.
Have you tried clicking through on any of those?
Yes, I tried DOM and nothing happened. Tape, nothing. Trade,
okay,
nothing. And so it's literally only this one that works.
Yeah.
And this is still loading, but this is gonna. Yeah, so this is my template.
Nice.
And
nice.
everything just feels so much smoother as well. So you can just be running like, and the things you can set up like workspaces. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Just they're talking about you, sending it to you. Yeah.
What they said.
Yeah, it's all good. We'll get that sent off.
Thanks, Baron.
I mean, if I have it, then I'm sure.
Yeah. Thank you.
It just feels so smooth. And then if you want to say, for example, you have these 2.
Oh, hello.
You can hear me?
Yeah, just lost you for a second.
So you can like put them back together in separate tabs like this again. The one thing that he hasn't done yet as well, which so you know how usually you can like hotkey between between templates. That's not done yet, but you can set up like workspaces and like save
so you
it
can
as
have them as tabs across the top and everything. Yeah, cool.
Exactly. Or you can like save it as like a 4. I think it's like a 4 square thing, like the 4 split into 4. Then you can save it as a workplace and then load that workspace and it will come up.
Okay, that's really cool.
But yeah, this is basically, I think, what everyone's going to be using from like Friday or something onwards.
Yeah. Crypto Prince has just asked, so will you eventually be able to place trades directly through EXO? Yes, I think that is the plan.
He said, yeah, he just mentioned that, and we were speaking about that also, and he was saying that's something he wants to do. He said it's definitely the goal, because that's ultimate efficiency.
Yeah, I mean that's not gonna come like immediately. I think we're gonna get the charts, aren't we, first, and then things like the tape, the DOM meter, the trading function are gonna come later, I believe. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's all gonna be released in one go. Who knows?
But yeah, I'm probably gonna. I mean, I'm sure you'll play around with this like all night as well now.
Yes.
Because there's like that is so different to like, well, not complete different, but there's a lot of new things you can try out. And this is like, what is this? Okay.
Have you got like a fixed range tool? That's like,
I don't know what that was.
Did you see that? That was a little fixed range tool. That's so cool.
Yes, let's see how that works again. Let's just close that. Which one was it? Chart, template. This one. Let it load up. Yeah, and it's like dynamic profile. That's what it's called. and you can click on this and drag it
So, yeah, it's a fixed range.
here.
Nice. Oh, this is amazing.
So you have like this going
And you've
on.
got delta and everything within that as well on
Yeah,
that
look, you
profile.
got range. Oh, I don't know if that works, but longs wrecked, shorts wrecked as well. You can see that within a set period.
This is so cool. Is there a better liquidation kind of thing on here? Because the
I think it's still
liquidations,
wrecked.
yeah, the
Let's
wrecked
see.
bubbles. I'm not a fan of the wrecked bubbles.
There's quite a, actually this is a wrecked. Hide orders less than.
Okay, that's okay.
That's new. So you can change it to only large people being wrecked
Yeah,
here.
but there's still the bubbles. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, it'd be nice to get just a like a bar chart thing, like.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah.
This is the first time I'm ever playing with this, so stuff like this, I guess. Let's see the new drop. What's these tools? I'm guessing. Oh, so you could
That's just
see.
percentage.
That still gives really good info.
This is a ruler, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Is this channels? Yeah, channels. Okay. Yeah, but it's I think it's the rest is like quite self. Oh yeah. Also, we can have like weekly TPO charts.
Nice. So we don't have to do merging all the time.
Yeah. Yeah. So like
Awesome.
weekly TPO charts and stuff like that. If I can get this up actually.
Just looking at the chat. So Tony M, this looks like Atos but way cleaner. Yes, it is. Like Exo's always been a level ahead of Atos in my opinion. Atos is nice, but I love how clean Exo is. And this is just even better now. Like this is amazing.
So you've got all of this stuff as well.
Yeah, that's really cool. Amma K, what PC are you guys running for your day-to-day trading? I'm in the UK and would love some recommendations. Amma K, I've got myself like a. Well, P will actually be able to tell you if you're in the Discord. P will tell you what computer I've got, because he was the one that spec'd it out for me. But I've got like a really nice Windows PC, with a nice, what is it? NVIDIA graphics card and stuff, all that kind of thing. I don't know. I know nothing about PCs. But yeah, like my Mac won't. My Mac struggles with like just Bybit on its own. So yeah. Yeah, PC's the way to go for trading, which pains me to say because I've been a Mac user for so long. Bitcoin is having a move up. So yeah. Cool.
Yes. So I think you can still see what's going on, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm guessing you can cover this as well in way more detail. Do you want to finish this segment here, or
yeah, let's wrap this up. I mean, that's like really cool to see, and I'm if yeah, I'm excited to try this out. So yeah, everyone will probably use this a lot tomorrow in the trading room, and then once it's released. So this is really exciting actually. We've got new EXO. Let me put myself back on camera. People can see my ugly face again. Hello, I am back.
I don't have to have like EXO open anymore in like the tabs.
Yeah.
Really weird.
Yeah. I'm showing. Sorry, everyone. You've got to see old EXO, which is still amazing, but there is old EXO on the screen for everyone to see. And here's Trading View, which will soon not be used again because EXO is so much better when we can do drawings and stuff on it, which is so cool. But yeah, so I'm going to play around with this a lot, and yeah, I'm excited, definitely.
There's so many settings to go through.
Yeah.
So anyway, I'll let you finish off your stream.
Yeah.
Now.
Sure. Yeah. Is there anything like technical you want to go over? Are there any like nice setups that you've seen recently, or
not?
I think we're kind of.
I was in a short on
Yeah.
on my one of my main accounts from that just the bigger 786 pool, and
Yes.
we came into that. So
Yeah, it came like perfectly into 786 and the big point of control there. So I'm
yeah.
short from there as well. I've also got a long from the local 618 that we're just at from our impulse.
Mhm.
But I'm looking for a range basically between like 48,760 and let's say 48k area would be a really nice range for us to put in just overnight. So I'm basically looking to trade that at the moment.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, uh, Ether's move is continuing to move up like immensely today.
Yeah.
It's on a rampage.
Yeah, Ether's looking strong. But I'd quite like to short ETH as well.
If you can, that would be amazing, because it's probably going to come down quite heavily.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how that plays out. But yeah, thank you so much for sharing that, and thank you, Varun, if you're watching, and Luxury, please do thank Varun for allowing us to show
Yes, of course.
this
of
on
course.
the stream. If this is all released to the public by Friday, we'll hopefully have a chat with Varun on one of these calls and get something set up. But yeah,
I'm probably gonna head off now, so I'll catch everyone in the Discord and everything. So
all right,
hope
cool.
you enjoyed that.
Yeah, thanks a lot, mate. I'll catch you later.
Yeah, catch you.
Bye. That was fun. There you go, guys. A world exclusive of ExoCharts demo for the first time. No, okay, it will not be released on Friday, so it's going to take a bit of time. Tomorrow, please join the crew session. Test it together. Exo desktop version in depth, please. Yes, we're going to be massively testing. I can take my headphones off. Why have I got my headphones on? Yeah, we're going to be testing this together. So if you're in the crew, we'll be using this now on the trading rooms. What else do I have to say? P, you missed the whole stream. You've missed an amazing stream because we've just seen desktop Exo in action. Yeah. I missed the chance to take profit on my long. That was silly. Cool. Okay, so I'm going to wrap up this stream in just a minute. We know what we're trading. I'm going to go off and have a play with Exo. But yeah, guys, for everyone, like we're having some really exciting new stuff to be using at the moment. So this is really cool. So we've got Exo that is now being used. That is going to be released when it is ready to be released. Okay, I don't know the date that this is going to be released for public. We will use this in the trading room, but we're not going to be able to make it available for anyone else to use. So that will just be, we're kind of testers for the new Exo. Same thing with Trading Light. Okay, so Trading Light, the new version, is really cool. But we've just got to allow the developers time to finish off all this software. So we're kind of ahead of the game on just about everything right now, which is really awesome. So we have new Trading Light version, we have new XO version, and we have HyperTrader, which again is going to be getting a major update soon, like a major update soon. So this is really exciting. There's some massive new platforms for us to be using, and we're going to be the first people able to use that. Yeah, I'm really happy. That was cool. That was good. That was good to see. I see we're at 60 likes as well. It's a shame we haven't got a few more likes on this video for how awesome that was. But yeah, thank you everyone for watching. I'm going to end this stream here. We know the levels of support and resistance. We know what we're coming up to on Ethereum. In fact, we're right back at this level. This is a very significant level on Ethereum. So yeah, we'll wait and see what happens with that. Cool. Thank you everyone, and I'll catch you in the next stream / video / whatever it is I do next.